In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google One subscription invoice. We will grab the official receipt that Google already sends you, so you can download it, save it, and share it whenever you need. To start, Google automatically sends a detailed digital receipt by email every time your Google One auto payment goes through successfully. Open your Gmail inbox or the recovery email inbox that you link to your Google account. Once it loads, you should see your usual list of messages, with unread emails in bold near the top. If you use folders or labels, stay in the main inbox for now so the search works across everything. On a computer, this inbox view fills most of the screen. On a phone, it usually shows as a single list you can scroll. From there, move to the search bar at the very top of your inbox. Click or tap inside that search bar so the cursor appears and your keyboard pops up on mobile. Type the words Google One subscription, then wait a second to see if relevant results appear below as suggestions. If nothing useful shows up, clear the text and try the phrase Google Play Order Receipt instead. Beginners often misspell the words here, so if you see 0 results, check the spelling of Google and subscription carefully. When the search runs, your inbox will refresh and only emails that match those phrases will be listed. Now look through the search results and find the email that matches your latest Google One payment. It usually shows Google as the sender and mentions your storage plan or order in the subject line. Click or tap that message to open it. The full receipt will appear, usually with the order summary at the top and more details further down. In this message, you can see the transaction ID, which is the unique code Google support uses to look up this payment. You will also see any localized tax breakdowns, such as value-added tax or sales tax listed as separate lines, along with the final billed price in your local currency. If your bank statement ever looks confusing, this final billed price is the number you want to match. With the receipt email open, you can now save a copy for your records. Use the print option in your email interface to print this email directly. Instead of choosing a physical printer, select the option that lets you save as PDF. When you confirm, your device will create a PDF file that looks like a printout of the email, including the transaction ID, taxes, and total. Store this PDF wherever you keep invoices for work or personal expenses, so you can resend or re-upload it later without repeating the search. You have now found your Google One subscription invoice email and saved it as a PDF record you can reuse anytime. If this helped you pull your Google One receipt, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Google tutorials.